how to enable or disable search description on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Blogger. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do here is simple. I'm gonna refresh the page. Now click on settings, scroll down all the way down until you find the meta tags here, and here you will find enable search description, and you can just enable it or disable it from here. And yeah, and this is the search description as you can see. Actually it's very easy, so all what you have to do, as we said, is go to settings and scroll down and you will find it. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.